Watch this video and learn how to draw a cute little sheep. Later on, Bunny Fluffington sings a song. And watch to the end because Louie reads some poetry. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie. Artie!
Oh, hello.
Are you ready to make some art today?
Yes, Artie is very excited for today.
I think we should do a drawing.
Okay.
Oh, great.
Yay. Oh, yeah.
Good day, Artie!
Hey there, Artie!
Are you ready to create some art?
I'm ready.
Do you have an idea what we should draw, Artie?
No, what are we going to draw?
I know. Let's draw a cute sheep.
Wow. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's start. Yay.
Let's hop to it!
Let's start by drawing our sheep's eyes. We'll draw a little oval shape in the middle of the page. Quite a small one. That's it, Artie. Or if you like, Artie, this afternoon, we can go to the field down the street and look at the sheep.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yay.
Artie loves when we visit the sheep. Okay, now let's draw the right eye, another little oval shape just beside the first one. Very good. Let's add a little black dot in the middle of the left eye and shade it in black. That's it, Artie. Another one on the right. If Artie's drawing a little bit too quick, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. Very helpful. Now let's draw a smiley shape underneath the eyes with a little smile line on the left and right ends. Let's give our sheep two ears, a C shape on the left and then a back to front C shape on the right. Very good.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it!
Now let's give our sheep a fringe or some bangs. We're going to draw lots of little half-circle curve shapes between the ears. That's it. Let's give our sheep a face. Underneath the left ear, start, curve all the way round. That's it, Artie, keep going all the way up. And then we'll finish underneath the right ear. And now our sheep has a little face.
Let's have a song break.
A song break. Why are we whispering?
I don't know. Let's have a song break. Yay! Song break.
Brush your teeth. Now it's time to brush your teeth. Now it's time to brush your teeth. It's time to brush your teeth. Now it's time to go to bed. Now it's time to go to bed. Now it's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. Sleep. Now it's time to go to sleep. Now it's time to go to sleep. It's time to go to sleep. Now it's time to close your eyes. Now it's time to close your eyes. Now it's time to close your eyes. It's time to close your eyes. Now it's time to dream away. Now it's time to dream away. Now it's time to dream away. It's time to dream away.
Oh, song break.
Bunny did great.
Yeah, Artie really enjoys song breaks.
Well, I think we all do, Artie.
Yeah.
We'll do another one tomorrow.
Yeah.
Let's finish the drawing.
Yeah, okay.
Now we're going to give our sheep a body. We're going to draw a big sort of cloud shape all the way around the face. Lots of little half circles all connected to one another. Watch to the end to see Louie reading some poetry. Add another half circle, Artie. That's it. And then another one. We're going to keep adding half circles all the way around, making this fluffy, cloud-shaped sheep. I love sheep, Artie. They're so fluffy. They're lovely. What is that music?
Oh no. What's that music? It's Painty. No.
Look out! Uh-oh.
Very funny.
Barry, don't encourage him. He's made a mess again. Now I'm going to have to clean all this yellow paint. I'm just going to get a cloth over here. I'll be back in a minute, Artie. Oh, it's a mess. There's yellow paint everywhere. Okay, I think I got most of it. Painty's a very, very naughty tube of paint. You know, Artie, next time Painty makes a mess, maybe you can clean it up.
Very funny.
Well, why do I have to be the one who cleans it up every time? Ooh, one more half circle, Artie. There you go. Our sheep's body is complete. Let's add some little legs. 2 straight lines. 1, 2, and then a little curve connecting them. Good. Now add a half circle underneath. There we go.
Her age, darling. I mean, it's not... Oh, hello, and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today's poem is about one of my favourite things to do, naps. Oh, here we go. Okay. Close your eyes and snuggle tight. Dreamy clouds are taking flight. Rest your mind. It's time to snooze. A nap's the magic we can all use. When you wake, you'll feel brand new, ready to play the whole day through. Marvellous, dear, marvellous.
Oh, thank you, Louie. That was very nice. It's reminded me I might take a nap later on as well.
Me too.
Oh, you're going to take a nap as well, Artie? Okay, after the drawing, we'll all go and take a little nap. Maybe we can count sheep while we nap. Uh-oh, here's Barry.
Hey, Artie. Wow, what a great drawing. Gives me the blues. And I'm blue. Oh, oh, oh.
Okay, Barry, thank you. We'll let you know if we need a song again later. Perhaps to wake us up out of our naps. Oh, the sheep is looking very cute now you've added the legs, Artie. Perhaps we should show him running around in a field and add some grass.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
Let's add some spiky grass on the right and the left sides. A few upside down V shapes, nice and spiky. And then again on the left side, Artie. And when we colour this in, we'll make this look like grass. Well, this drawing's looking pretty finished to me, Artie. What do you think? Do you agree?
I finished.
I thought you had.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Needs a little something.
Yeah.
What should we do?
Oh, I think I want to color it in. Yeah.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Okay.
It's time to color it in.
Artie finished.
Really good job, Artie.
Yeah.
It came out
Oh,
excellent.
lots of work.
Did it make you tired?
Artie very tired now. Artie needs a nap. Yeah.
Well, we'll go and have our
Oh,
naps.
yes, please.
We hope you enjoyed today's show.
And we hope you come back and see us tomorrow. Have a great day, little artists.
Bye.
Have an Artie day!
Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.